So what do we got here? This is a pork butt?
Yeah.
Okay, and what do we put on for seasoning?
I rubbed it last night with a pulled pork barbecue rub.
Okay. And how long did we put it in initially last night? What time did we put it in? How many hours do you think it's been in?
I put it in around 6:30 p.m. last night at 200 degrees.
Okay, so we just kind of wait for it to rise up, and you're waiting for the temperature to get to 200, or?
I wait for it to get to 165, then I wrap it in foil.
Okay. What's the purpose of the foil wrap? What does that do?
It helps. I've been told it helps to when you're cooking low and slow at that 200. Sometimes the meat can reach a plateau.
Okay.
And then the foil will help it kind of get over that plateau to get up to the 200 degrees. I'll also raise the temperature up 25 to 220.
Does it like dry out the meat or something if you don't do that, or?
I don't know. I've never cooked it without.
Okay.
But this does help lock in all the moisture, and then we'll let it rest when it's done, and then it should shred really nice and easy.
This is a Pit Boss grill, so you said this is a wood chip grill?
Yeah, it's a pellet on the wood pellet grills.
Okay. And what do we got? Do they have like flavored, scented chips for that, or pellets, or? Yeah,
they got all kinds of blends. They have apple, cherry. Right now we have apple in there.
Okay. All right, we are now ready to take off the butt and see what the results are going to be. And we have pork butt. Actually, that is looking pretty juicy. You want to hand it off? Oh man. Hot. Well, it was, what, 210 degrees?
203 is what I took it off at, yeah.
Just dismantled from the bone. Okay, now we're going to sample pulled pork. Smoked for I don't know how many hours. How many hours?
22.
That is tasty and just totally melts. Meanwhile, Wolverine here is just having a field day. And this is an added bonus that I was not intending on. This is cookie dough, complete with sterilized flour. Looking forward to this. Thanks for watching. This is Mad Marty reminding you to do what's responsible, avoid what's irresponsible, make the most of what you got, and get respect. Mad respect. Also, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.